It's officially 2025, so we're starting the year fresh with our two cats and Chow Chow. We're cleaning up our home, visiting friends, and seeing new sides to our pets. One of our friends who isn't really a cat person came over, and you won't believe what Bepo did. Let's catch up. January is super exciting because it's my birthday month. It's 1 month till our wedding. But I'm fine, everything is fine. Our major goal today is to clean up the house and have a fresh new start for the brand new year. First things first, let's take our Christmas decorations down. Right, Nami? It's a brand new year? Ooh! You gonna miss Christmas?
It's ready.
These are Chopper's favorite ornaments. Gonna be sad about the tree? As long as you have the rug, right? There's a big blank spot there now. Choppy's looking out of the window. Bepo's trying to find a new spot to lay right now. I also put a tiny Christmas tree next to the kitties. Luckily, they did not bother with this one at all. That's a good thing. Nami only had something for the big tree. Let's figure out what to put here. We used to have this display case out in the front, and I think we're gonna bring it back because it was really pretty. Watch her jump up there. She loves it so tall. She's so curious. Maybe we'll put something on top of there. I don't know yet. Joppa, how do you like the collection? Come check it out.
She's definitely gonna go out.
Oh, is she gonna do it?
Nah.
No. She's gonna be a good girl. We were cleaning up and found one of Chopper's old toys. Look at this little bird. He is obsessed with it. You recognize your friend's house? Hello!
He just went jump up on his leash.
Eva's adorable. She's just watching Chopper play. Oh, she's like full on loafing next to him, just watching him. So adorable.
She does that with Flynn when he has a bone that she wants.
Oh.
She's waiting for her turn. Essentially.
What a sweet
How
girl.
you liking that? Don't go out of my sight. Chopper! Come here! As soon as I look back, he's like...
Eva's like, ooh, you in trouble? Is he in trouble, Eve?
Chopper!
Laying down while he's playing.
Girl.
What happened, Chopper?
I think
Did you have a long day?
Oh, we played upstairs too.
Oh, you played upstairs?
Yeah.
He looked like he had a long day. You had a long, hard work day, yeah?
This is the first time we laid on the couch like this.
We've never seen him just full on lay on the couch like this.
You like software?
Look at how tired he looks. This boy has gone through some things today. You tired? What happened? What's that about? What's that about? He looked like he woke up on the wrong side of the bed. Meanwhile, Bepo's here. Look at Little Miss Troublemaker. Little Miss Troublemaker. She jumped on this and she completely broke it. Girlie, what did you do?
I think Chopper broke it. Is that why you're on the couch? Did you break that?
Did you do this?
Who broke it?
Did you or Nami do that? Hmm?
Who broke it? She's side-eyeing Nami.
Nami's looking at him. You did it, bro. Hmm? Who did it? Nami, did you do it? Or did Joppa do it? Hmm?
Chopper, who did it? High five if she did it. Chopper, high five if she did it. No? You're not snitching?
You guys look so funny. There you have it. The siblings. Besides Chopper not ratting Nami out, he has been an amazing brother to Bepo as well. I can't believe what happened this one day. We were letting Chopper out in the back as usual, and you won't believe who was watching the door trying to make his escape plan.
It's cold. Oh no, Chopper noticed that Baby was trying to get out.
Yes, it is Bepo.
Chopper's coming back. He's like, you wanna come out? Go potty. Nah, you're still trying to get out, Peppy. It's so cold outside. Did you just want to hang out with Chopper? Don't even try to open it, Chopper. Okay, fine. Go inside. I thought you were gonna go potty. Hmm?
Meanwhile, Nami is our cozy girl and has no interest in going outside. I found her up here making biscuits on Chopper's bed. I would also like to think that Nami has kind of become a mommy's girl. I don't know who said girl cats aren't affectionate because look at this girl. She just hopped on my leg. I love her so much. Look, my eye, I'm getting a pink eye or whatever because she flipped her tail in my eye and I'm actually allergic to cats. And like my face is kind of puffy now or whatever, but like, I don't care. I will get a red eye. I will get a whole puffy face just to get a cute, cuddly cat like this. Meanwhile, this is Bepo and his dad recently. Bepo has been full of surprises recently, and he even tried to convert our friends into cat people.
You're the first cat that I've ever come in contact with.
That is so cute. He really likes you. Wow,
Coming back for more?
Coming back for more. Some more. Oh, making your way.
Making rounds.
Making rounds.
He's making rounds. Drive-by love.
Chocolate gets some love. Oh, everybody gets some love.
Everybody gets some
Everybody
love.
gets some love.
Everybody gets some love.
Everybody gets love.
He's like, oh, you want one
Me
too?
again?
You want one too?
Like
Oh.
you the most.
Okay.
I'm like you the most.
Okay.
Oh, Bepo.
Buddy.
Oh, he's claimed you as his friend.
Hey.
Oh.
Well, you know I'm not a cat person, right?
He's like, I'm trying to turn you into one.
Just letting you know, buddy.
Oh! Oh my god.
That's such a huge compliment.
That is a very huge compliment. He was ready to show you his belly.
Yeah.
Oh.
Bepo, you trying to get a new family? What are you doing? Oh, now Chopper's turn. Everybody gets love. We've never seen Bepo this confident, loving, and open to people who he just met before. But I think that's a great example of the energy I want this year. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one.